Okay, let's uncover the powerful secret hidden inside one of the world's most popular berries.
You've probably wondered about this, right? Well, the answer goes way deeper than just the skin.
The secret? It's all about natural compounds called anthocyanins. They're the real key here. Basically, these are the natural pigments that give lots of fruits and veggies their amazing colors. And get this, that beautiful color is directly tied to the berry's awesome nutritional profile.
See? Health-conscious people really value knowing about this powerful connection.
That's a great question. Let's compare two popular types and see what we find out. Wild blueberries are smaller. That means you're getting way more of that good, nutrient-rich skin. It's pretty amazing, right? A simple size difference totally changes the nutritional punch.
And there you have it. Knowing this stuff can actually change how you shop for food.
Okay, but what if you can't get fresh ones? It's a common problem, so let's check out an alternative.
This is a huge question, right? Does freezing them ruin all the good stuff?
Nope, they're frozen right after being picked, so they're still a fantastic and super convenient choice.
Heck, some companies have even won over 38 national awards for their high-quality frozen fruit. So what's the easiest way to get your daily dose? Well, the good news is it's super simple.
Fresh or frozen, they're perfect in so many dishes, from your breakfast all the way to dessert. So just remember, that bright color isn't just for show. It's a sign of something powerful.
So here's the bottom line. It's all about the color, the compound, and what they do for you.
Blueberries are just the start. It makes you wonder, what other secrets are hiding in plain sight?